Inhlangano i-Reimagined Learning inhlangano yabazali abakholwa ukuthi ukufunda kwezingane akumele kugcine esikoleni, futhi izingane zifunda yonke indawo, ikakhulu ngezimo ezihlangabezana nazo. UNonhlanhla Morokanye waba yilungu lenhlangano ngesikhathi kuhlasele ubhubhane lwe-COVID-19 nokuyilapho anquma khona ukuthi ingane yakhe angeke isaya esikoleni futhi akaboni ukuthi ingaphinde iye.
Living is learning. Life should be. We should be sitting here at home and learning and doing so much more with our children, and that's exactly what our day-to-day looks like. We wake up every day, they do the things that they're meant to be doing every single day. That means we're cleaning up, we're washing the dishes, we're making breakfast, we're making sure everybody has eaten.
Umsunguli walenhlangano uthi ukholwa ukuthi izingane kumele zifunde ukuzimela, zizicabangele, hayi ukuthi zithole ulwazi kothisha.
Reimagined learning is a stance on education and life that looks to sort of push the boundaries of what we have been sort of understanding to be basic education, realizing that maybe basic is not enough, and it's an act towards taking responsibility for that and practicing or moving from mainstream to multiple streams of education.
Umnyango wemfundo isisekelo uthi lolu hlelo lokufunda lungena ngaphansi kohlelo lwabafunda ekhaya i-homeschooling futhi awunaso isiqiniseko sokuthi kufundwa kanjani kulolu hlelo.
It sounds like a form of education that is offered to children in their own spaces, a curriculum that is developed by their parents, and but it doesn't sound conventional. It sounds like it has too much freedom. It also doesn't sound like there is structured learning.
Umnyango unxusa abazali ukuba benze ucwaningo ngezinhlelo zokufunda abafuna ukufaka izingane zabo kuzo.